So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our CAD JPY. So first thing first, we need to know the trend. Second, we are going to be trading with the trend. Remember the rules of trading. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. So before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our CAD JPY. So what can we say the trend is on our CAD JPY? It is very clear that our overall trend on CAD JPY is an uptrend move. You can see it. The overall movement of CAD JPY is in an uptrend move, right? So whatever you're going to be doing, be it in the long run, you would want to be going for the buy because CAD JPY is in an uptrend move. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. This is the impulsive move, which is your high, and this is your pullback, which is your higher low. Market was able to give us another impulsive move, which is the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to rally up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So market has given us an higher low, right? So now the market has given us the higher low, we should be expecting market to actually push up against it. It's able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So we will be expecting market to push up to take out this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our CAD JPY. So let's do that to the 1 hour time frame right here. So this is a multiple rejection zone right here. This is what we'll be expecting, multiple rejection zone. So we will be expecting market to actually bounce up from here and take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.